Hi guys, welcome back to a new video on Tech World. Today we are going to make a first unboxing video of Redmi Smart Band manufactured by Xiaomi India. Smart Band comes with a USB direct charge and heart rate monitor which is very accurate, and it is waterproof up to 50 meters. Yes guys, even we can wear it and swim. Wow, and this is a #1 wearable brand in India. Guys, if you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe to the channel. Let's unbox Redmi Smart Band today. And this watch comes with an MRP of 2600, but we'll get it for 1600 on Amazon.in and mi.com or mi.com. Let's unbox this band then. Guys, Redmi Smart Band comes with 4 variants of band: red, olive green, black and blue. And let's see what's inside. Oh, only documentation. Yes guys, because this smart band does not comes with charging cradle, because it is charge input is directly USB. And wow, what a classy look, bold, amazing look of this band. And this band is completely different from Mi Band 4. Yes guys, Mi Band 4 is completely different from Redmi Smart Band. Mi Band 4 has a curvy display, and Mi or Redmi Band has a rectangular display. Yes guys, build, and if we talk about the build and design, this watch weighs 13 grams and the straps are of thermoplastic and silicone type. Heart rate monitor and sleep monitor very accurate guys, very accurate. They are more perfect than Honor Band 5, and this is, as I said, is waterproof up to 50 meters or 580 m. So sweat proof guys. Amazing features for 1600 price. Wow. And this watch or smart band compatible with Mi Fit or Mi Fit app. This display of 1.1 inch OLED or 120 to 220 pixels. Brightness is amazing, yeah, amazing. This brightness, or even if you keep the lowest brightness, we can see it amazingly or seamlessly even in the bright sun. Features are like wow. The some displays I did not add any additional status. This does not heart rate monitor, weather, and even we can control music through this band of your phone. Yes guys, look how it is easy to control mobile phones music. And amazing, yeah, brightness comes with 5 levels, where the fourth or fifth one is very bright, and we can just decline or make a call silent. We can't receive any calls guys, and we can see all the notification on this band. And that's all for today. Here all are the specifications. To buy, the link is in the description guys. Thank you for watching.